So let me introduce myself first. Some of you guys may know me already. My name is Anna or Ananda from Ling app. And today we will get to another Thai lesson with me. It will be how can you learn Thai language by yourself? Okay. For the first one, of course, learn the alphabet. So as you guys know, the Thai alphabet is different from the Latin one. So why you have to start learning the Thai alphabets first before you get to other lesson? Because you definitely can read Thai, can write, and can speak for sure. That's why you have to start learning the alphabet first. And next, learning Thai via podcast and audio lessons. Recording in Thai help you understand and get used to the language. And for example, in Thai, we have tone that foreigner sometimes cannot pronounce. So the best way that you learn how to pronounce that word is to use the podcast or find the platform that have the audio lessons so you can practice your speaking and also the listening skill. Next, remember words and phrases. Start remember Thai word and phrases that you in daily life. You can start from the short one to the longer one, from the easy one to the difficult one. For example, start with the greeting. We say in Thai สวัสดีค่ะ or สวัสดีครับ that means hello. ขอบคุณค่ะ ขอบคุณครับ it means thank you in Thai. And if you want to say yes, you can say ใช่ค่ะ or ใช่ครับ but we also have the other way to say yes in Thai, so please don't forget to watch another video from us. The next one, the word กิน กิน is mean to eat. And after you learn some Thai word and phrase, the next part you have to do is learn the sentence structure. You don't have to go in deep at the very first time that you learn the sentence structure. Just learn the basic one. Some of you may know that the Thai sentence is similar to English sentence. We place the sentence with subject, verb, and object, but the different thing that we not like in English is the where we put the adjective in the sentence. For example, in English, you will put adjective and then verb, right? No, wait. It will be adjective and noun, not verb, sorry. Adjective and noun. But for example, red car. But in Thai, we will add noun first and then adjective. For example, รถสีแดง For the word รถ is mean car and สีแดง is the color red. So as you can see, it's different from English. And the next one, you can learn language by using app or language learning platform. It's depending on you which one would you prefer. It can be app, YouTube video, or books. It's up to you. So there are several options you might want to consider depending on your learning style, as I said. And also, if you want to learn Thai, we also have Thai in our Ling app. Don't forget to check the Ling app. I will add the link somewhere when I upload this video in YouTube. And next one. This one is the best way to learn any language. So you need to find a native speaker to practice with. And how can they help you learn? So the Thai friend can help you learn the good quality of Thai. You also can learn the correct way to pronounce the word. You also can ask them about the culture aspect that you don't understand or you're not sure. So of course Thai people can suggest you how to use this word, how not to use this word. And the next one, watch TV, movies, or even Thai series. We have a ton of Thai movie and Thai series. And this way you will learn pronunciation, the new vocabulary, and the listening skill. But you have the thing to be careful when you use Thai TV or Thai movie, Thai series to learn Thai. Sometimes they use a lot of slang and bad words, and that might not good for you at the beginner to use bad word with someone you're not familiar with. So please be careful about that. But you also can learn many vocabulary from them. Is worth to try. And the last one, don't be afraid to make any mistake. So mistakes are necessary step in learning. No matter what you are learning, nobody gets everything right at the first time. But what you have to remember is that when you make a mistake, you learn from the mistake and try not to do it again. So yeah, I think is that all for today lesson. So please don't forget to check out our video in YouTube channel as well. So I think that is for today. See you guys in the next video. Bye.